Talking about currency exchange. One of the common questions when traveling to Taiwan is how much money to bring. Currently, in Taiwan, most department stores, food streets, and shopping malls accept credit card payments, making it very convenient to use credit cards in these places. However, in places like night markets or small vendors, cash is still the primary payment method. Therefore, it's advisable for travelers to have some cash on hand when visiting Taiwan, especially if planning to indulge in street food or purchase items at the night markets. As for how much cash to bring, it depends on individual spending habits and planned activities. Generally, carrying a small amount of cash as a backup is wise, while using credit cards for payments when possible. It is advisable to consider bringing around $300 to $400 USD, equivalent to approximately $9,000 to $12,000 TWD for personal expenses. This recommendation takes into consideration that all activities and meals are inclusive. The current exchange rate for USD to TWD is fluctuating between 30 and 31. How to exchange currency. You have the option to exchange currency either in the United States or at banks in the Taiwan airport. Please note that due to our early arrival at the airport, the banks may not be open during the early hours. In this specific situation, GDA KCC is pleased to offer a currency exchange service with a fixed rate of 1 to 30 for USD to TWD. We kindly advise that this service, unfortunately, does not cover the exchange of Taiwanese dollars back into US dollars. We appreciate your understanding in this matter. Please note, this service is non-profit and designed for the convenience of parents. If you wish to use the KICC currency exchange service, we kindly ask you to fill out the currency exchange request on Google Sheets and proceed with the transfer. Please note that this must be completed within 5 days after the pre-departure meeting. Please make the payment to the KICC account within 5 days after the meeting. KICC will efficiently handle the conversion to new Taiwan dollars and furnish you with the amount upon your arrival in Taiwan. Your cooperation is greatly appreciated.